हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी मीडिया। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 8 इंग्लिश की वर्कबुक की यूनिट 2 जिसका नाम है द सुनामी। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको यूनिट 1 द बेस्ट क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट इन द वर्ल्ड करवाया था। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट बनाई हुई है, आप जिस भी लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए यूनिट 2 शुरू करते हैं। कंप्रहेंशन ए, रीड द न्यूज़ क्लिपिंग shown below and answer the questions. India's 5 most polluted zones. New Delhi. Beijing had to take some harsh steps to reduce pollution ahead of indoor Olympic Games in the city. As the countdown for the Commonwealth Games in New Delhi begins, here some bad news. Delhi and its surroundings have some of the worst polluting zones in the country, according to the list of India's severely polluted industrial clusters released by the Environmental Ministry on Thursday. Ghaziabad takes the third rank in the list of Bhiwadi is number 6. The Najafgarh Drain Basin, which includes Okhla, Narayana, Anand Parvat and Wazipur, comes in as the 11th. Rost, Noida and Faridabad are not too far behind. The report as environmental assessment of industrial clusters says more than 85% or the industrial zones in India, 75 out of 88 are served and polluted. The worst performance are from Gujarat, Ankleshwar and Waplong, known to have pollution management issue, said Ramesh, Union Minister of Environment and Forest, while releasing the report. Expansion and new industries should be put on hold in the industrial zones that are critical till pollution control actions are put in place. Many of these areas have reached their limits and the situation is not under control at the moment. First, in which city were the Olympic Games held last year? The Olympic Games were held last year in Beijing. Second, mention the venue of the next Commonwealth Games. The venue of the next Commonwealth Games in Delhi. Third, what is wrong with Delhi and the areas around it? Delhi and its surroundings have some of the worst polluting zones in the country. Fourth, what is the percentage of severely polluted industrial zones in India? The percentage of severely polluted industrial zones in India is more than 85%. Fifth, what according to you is the meaning of the phrase put on hold? The meaning of the phrase put on hold is to postpone something. Working with language vocabulary, a disaster is an occurrence that causes the great destruction. Separate the words given in the box into two categories: words dealing with disaster or accidents caused by nature and disaster accidents caused by man. Volcanic eruptions, landslide, flood, drought, earthquake, oil spills, forest fire, tsunami, tornado, global warming, air crash, nuclear reactor accident, Bhopal gas tragedy. Disasters or accidents caused by man: oil spills, global warming, air crash, nuclear reactor accident, Bhopal gas tragedy. Disasters or accidents caused by nature: volcanic eruptions, landslide, flood, drought, earthquake, forest fires, tsunami, tornado. Grammar. A, adverb of manner. Look at the following sentences taken from the linked lesson. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table till he saw the sea slowly rise. Here, carefully and slowly are describing the actions took and rise. These are adverb of manner An adverb of manner describes how an action is done. Underline verbs in the following sentences and write the adverb that tells you about these verbs in the space given. Renu hoped about medley. Adverb medley. Kapil watched the match eagerly. The guest waited for us patiently. The old man climbed down the tree slowly. Gaurav Ganguly played his innings brilliantly. The father shouted at the son angrily. Raju placed his books carefully on the shelf. B. See the following example. Ignatius was the manager of the cooperative society. Now insert in the appropriate places in passage given below. 63 years old Bimal Ghosh is hunting for a river which has gone underground. Saraswati, the mythical river which finds mention in the Mahabharata and the Rig Veda, hasn't been in evidence for the last 1,000 years. The river, which rose in Shivalik Himalayas, used to flow through Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Ghosh suspects that the Thar Desert was formed when Saraswati changed its course westwards and eventually went underground. Dictionary practice. The following words have been taken from the link lesson: volcano, hotel, earthquake. Look at the dictionary entries and then match with the words given above. Speaking and writing composition. There is an epidemic of swine flu in the city. Some do's and don'ts are given in the box below. Use these hints to write a paragraph about the symptom and precautions of swine flu. Wash hands, crowded places, shake hands or hugs, spitting, medicines, doctors, water, nutrition, medical advice, slept and rest, infected persons. There is an epidemic of swine flu in the city. Therefore, we must wash hands before meal. We must avoid to go to crowded places. One should not shake hand or hug. We should not spit anywhere. The patient must take the medicine regularly as advised by the doctor. Our drinking water should be clean. Food before should be nutrition. We should follow the medical advice. The infected person should sleep and rest. तो यहाँ पे ये वीडियो ख़त्म होती है। अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको यूनिट 3 ग्लिम्स ऑफ द पास्ट करवाऊँगी। ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।